Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook trumpet fish. First, ensure your fish is thoroughly cleaned. Remove all scales and entrails, then rinse it well under cold water. Pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy skin. Finally, season generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer, like dill or parsley, to enhance its natural flavors before cooking. Let's explore two popular cooking methods. For pan frying, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the trumpet fish for 3 to 5 minutes per side until it's golden brown and flakes easily. Alternatively, for baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Bake the fish for 15 to 20 minutes, ensuring its internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Grilling is another fantastic way to prepare trumpet fish, bringing out a lovely, smoky flavor. Begin by preheating your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Remember to lightly oil the grill grates to prevent the delicate fish from sticking. Grill the trumpet fish for approximately 4 to 6 minutes per side. You'll know it's perfectly cooked when it flakes easily with a fork. Once your trumpet fish is cooked to perfection, it's time to serve and enjoy. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice enhances its delicate, sweet flavor beautifully. This versatile fish pairs wonderfully with light side dishes, such as roasted asparagus, a fresh garden salad, or even some fluffy rice. For an extra touch, consider drizzling it with a simple herb butter sauce to truly complement its natural deliciousness. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.